गुड मॉर्निंग एवरीवन। सो जो भी प्रीवियस पीरियड हुआ था उसमें हमारा ये लेसन ख़त्म हो गया था, बट सम स्टूडेंट्स हैविंग प्रॉब्लम, दैट्स व्हाई टुडे वंस अगेन आई एम गोइंग टू रिपीट द सेम concept. So first we will see the vacuoles. So the vacuoles are storage bubbles found in a cells. Okay, these are the storage bubbles found in a cells. They are found in both animal and plant cells, but are much larger in plant cells. The vacuoles are much larger in case of the plant cells. In animal cells, the quantity of vacuoles is more and the size of vacuoles uh, is small as compared to the vacuoles which are present in case of the plant cell. So this is the first thing. So these are the storage bubbles found in the cells, and they are present in the plant cell as well as in a animal cell. There is a difference in only size. Okay, now next again we will see related to vacuole. So vacuoles might store food or any variety of nutritions a cell might need to survive. सेल को सर्वाइव करने के लिए जो न्यूट्रिशंस चाहिए वो न्यूट्रिशंस वॉक्यूल्स में स्टोर किए जाते हैं. दे कैन इवन स्टोर वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स, सो द रेस्ट ऑफ द सेल्स इज प्रोटेक्टेड फ्रॉम कंटेमिनेशन इवेंचुअली दोज वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, जो भी वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स होते हैं वी नीड टू डिकम्पोज दैट वेस्ट प्रोडक्ट्स. सो इन प्रीवियस पीरियड आई ऑलरेडी टोल्ड that the vacuoles are behave just like as a dustbin. They are storing the waste products, so the rest of the cell is protected from the contamination. So the rest of the cell is protected from the any type of damage due to that due to that waste products. That's why that vacuoles are storing the waste products, and they can decompose it or send it outside. Okay, now the next part, it was endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, endoplasmic reticulum, it behave just like as a network in the sense, in the city roads are very essential. Okay, without road we cannot make transportation very easily. So in case of the cell, the the endoplasmic reticulum are behave just like as a road. It means that the network, it is mainly responsible for the transportation of proteins and other carbohydrates to another organelle, which includes lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, plasma membrane, etc. Okay, they are behave just like as a network. Because of that only they can transport the proteins and other carbohydrates to another organelle. Okay, if endoplasmic reticulum is not there, so we cannot transport the proteins and the carbohydrates. Then endoplasmic reticulum provide the increased surface area for the cellular reaction. जो भी सेल के अंदर रिएक्शन होती है, उस सेल के अंदर रिएक्शन परफॉर्म करने के लिए जो भी इंक्रीज एरिया चाहिए, दैट एरिया is provided by the endoplasmic reticulum. Then they help in the formation of nuclear membrane during the cell division. When cell division is going on, so that time they are providing the nuclear membrane. They are forming the nuclear membrane. So this is the function of the endoplasmic reticulum. The endoplasmic reticulum helps to transport substances in and out of the cell. Again, they are helping to transport the substances in and out of the cell. Okay, this is also main function of the endoplasmic reticulum. Now the next is Golgi bodies. Okay, so the Golgi bodies generally found located near the nucleus. They are generally found in nearer to the nucleus. Now here you can see the structure. A series of flattened sacs with the characteristics convex shape. Here you can see the series of sacs is known as the Golgi apparatus. It is a structure of the Golgi bodies or the Golgi apparatus, and the function is process and packages proteins and substances produced by cells. जो भी प्रोटीन्स प्रोड्यूस होते हैं, जो भी सब्सटेंस प्रोड्यूस होते हैं सेल की तरफ से, उसकी पैकिंग करने का काम कौन करता है? Golgi bodies. Okay, instructs the substances where to go. The Golgi apparatus behave just like as a traffic police. Okay, traffic police instruct us to where to go. Same like that way, Golgi apparatus instruct the substances where to go, and it is found in animal and the plant cells. This is a function of Golgi apparatus. Now next is centrioles and the centrosomes. Centrioles and centrosomes are present only in animal cells. Okay, centrioles and centrosomes are present only in animal cells. Okay, here you can see the structure of centrioles and centrosomes. They are perpendicular to each other. The angle between the centrioles and centrosomes is 90-degree angle. Okay, now we see the main function of the centrioles and the centrosomes. Okay, they play an important role in the division of the cell. They play a very important role in a division of the cell. Centrioles are present in animal cell but not present in plant cell. Centrioles are used for animal cell to reproduce. Okay, here again they are help in a reproduce. They release long stiff fibers called microtubules. They split the cell apart during the cell division. Okay, centrioles are also used in animal cells to reproduce. They release long stiff fibers called the microtubules. They release long stiff fibers called the microtubules, and that split the cell apart during the cell division. They are taking them apart during the cell division. And the last part, it was lysosomes. Okay, again I am going to repeat the same part, that is the lysosomes. Lysosomes are very important and also known as the pseudicial bags. Okay, it is also known as these bags. They are behave just like as bags. Lysosomes contain substances that help in a digestion. Okay, the product which is present in lysosome, the content which is present in lysosome, they are help in a digestion. The main function of lysosome is it to break down unwanted micromolecules. Okay, they are help to break down the micromolecules. Because of that only it helps in digestion, and they also help in foreign bodies and worn out cell parts. Which are the worn out cell parts? Which are get tired parts. So it is also help in that only. Again, when necessary, can digest the entire content of the cell. In this process, the lysosomes also get destroyed. Sometimes if they are taking the entire digestion part, so that time somewhere they can be destroyed. Okay, so these all are the functions of the all the organelle. Once again anyone is having any doubt related to this organelle, so immediately you can ask me. अगर फिर भी किसी को कुछ डाउट है रिलेटेड टू दिस लेसन, सो स्टूडेंट प्लीज़ आस्क मी, सेंड मी मैसेज पर्सनली. आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू ऑल द थिंग्स वंस अगेन. सो फॉर टुडे थैंक यू वेरी मच. यहाँ पे ये हमारा लेसन ख़त्म होता है. इसके बाद में जो असाइनमेंट सेंड करने वाली है वॉल्यूम, यू हैव टू कंप्लीट टुडे इटसेल्फ एंड सेंड मी योर रिप्लाई. फॉर टुडे थैंक यू वेरी मच.